Welcome to the weekly recap of English news from Italy and Friuli Venezia Giulia. Transportation disruptions expected in Friuli Venezia Giulia on May 18 due to a nationwide strike with limited guaranteed service windows. Possible disruptions to public transport and customer services are expected across Friuli Venezia Giulia on Monday, 18 May, due to a nationwide 24-hour general strike in the transport sector. The strike involves both operating and administrative staff. However, services will be guaranteed during the usual protected time slots from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. and from 1 to 4 p.m. Fedriga tops the rankings. Italy's regional leaders measured in new SWG poll.
Governor Massimiliano Fedriga has topped Italy's regional approval rankings with 65% approval rating, according to a new CWG poll from ANSA. Alberto Stefani followed in second place at 58%, while Roberto Cuto from Calabria ranked third with 53%. The survey highlights growing public support for several of Italy's regional leaders.
50 years on, Friuli remembers the earthquake that reshaped Italy's rescue system.
The diary of Alessandro Giomi, who led the rescue operations during the 1976 Friuli earthquake, was presented today in Trieste, 50 years after the disaster.
Secondo me quello che continuo a dire durante questo cinquantesimo è l'eredità morale che ci lascia la ricostruzione del terremoto, cioè la capacità di ripresa che è stata sicuramente dalla ricostruzione, da aver preservato i luoghi, le case, le fabbriche, ma soprattutto, dicevo quella morale perché tutto questo è stato possibile perché c'è stato un senso di comunità in grado di garantire questa ripresa, che è una ripresa della vita di questi territori. Ed è quello secondo me che ha fatto il grande passo avanti che ha garantito questa terra come esempio nazionale e internazionale.
Trieste makes history. For the first time, waste tax goes down.
For the first time in recent years, Trieste's municipal waste tax will fall in 2026 after anti-evasion measures recovered over 3 million euros. Low-income households may also qualify for a national discount, reducing their bill by 25%.
Significa che per i triestini in controtendenza sia a livello regionale che a livello nazionale, significa che per la prima volta appunto non solo non aumenteranno, non solo non resteranno quelle che erano l'anno scorso, ma le portiamo in diminuzione. Le portiamo in diminuzione sia per quanto riguarda le famiglie, le utenze domestiche, le famiglie che avranno delle riduzioni che possono andare dall'1 quasi il 4% per le famiglie più numerose, sia in diminuzione per quanto riguarda le imprese, le attività economiche che avranno una riduzione media di circa 1% rispetto a quello che pagavano l'anno scorso.
Lights, cameras, Friuli Venezia Giulia. The region takes Cannes by storm.
The 79th edition of the Cannes Film Festival opened in style. And Friuli Venezia Giulia is well represented. Among the international crowd of filmmakers and industry insiders is Alan Jones, director of Trieste Science Fiction Festival. Another year, another Cannes Film Festival. Are you happy to be back?
I am indeed. Cannes is important for very many things. We need to see all the new films. Coming in, to be honest with you, I've actually seen quite a lot of films already. And this year, of course, we've gone back a week because our dates this year are November the 3rd to November the 8th. And so it's put it back into another holiday period. So we're hoping that's actually going to really attract a lot more people.
Alan, we're back at the Cannes Film Festival. Are you excited to be back?
Yes, of course. Cannes is always a good festival, interesting festival, and we need to be here because if you love cinema, you need to be here.
From a sudden Adriatic storm to a cutting-edge design, Neverina, where Trieste's wind meets the future of sailing.
The Audace sailing team, comprised of 71 University of Trieste students, launched Neverina, a sustainable hydrofoiling sailboat set to compete at this year's Sumot Challenge at Lake Garda in June.
Competition where you need to build a boat and race a boat, so designing, manufacturing and sailing. The deal is that it must be sustainable, so you cannot emit too many CO2 equivalent tons. You cannot use carbon fiber, you cannot use petrol-based resins. So there are a lot of constraints and you need to follow each of them and build the most high-performing boat that you can. Last year on the water we won, the year before we won the overall challenge, so also the design part, and we are going there this year with the same goal, so go there, sail fast, and most likely, we would want to win.
This year?
Many visitors chose Friuli Venezia Giulia this weekend. After a week of rain, Friuli Venezia Giulia is enjoying a sunny Sunday. How are you enjoying your Sunday in Trieste?
It's really, really nice. Actually, it's sunny, so hopefully it lasts. And yeah, we're just having a walk around, and we are really enjoying ourselves.
We are doing some shopping in vintage shops, and yeah, that's it.
The sun is shining. We are taking long walks. Lunch. We ate pizza
in San Michele. It was very nice.
We arrived 2 hours ago and walk here down the Eisel. We walk down here the walk and then go to the ship. Yes.
We just had lunch in a nice restaurant here in Trieste, and now we're just taking a walk and having like a refresh after a big lunch.
Take a little coffee, little walk.
Thank you for watching In Trieste Web TV. We speak your language.